we will be unboxing the first generation Google Pixel Watch LTE version with Fitbit. Matte black stainless steel case with Obsidian Active band. Pixel Watch dimensions are 1.61 inch diameter by 0.48 inches thick, slightly less than an inch thick with a band-free weight of 36 grams. The case is made from 80% recycled stainless steel, and the active band is made from Fluoroelastomer with soft touch coating. The dome is made from custom 3D Corning Gorilla Glass 5. It looks and feels like a high-quality flagship smartwatch, lightweight and comfortable straight out of the box. Connectivity has 4G LTE, Bluetooth 5.0, 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, NFC, GPS, GLONASS, BeiDou, and Galileo. Hardware has compatibility for Wear OS 3.5, Android 8 or newer, Exynos 9110 SoC, Cortex M33 coprocessor, 32 GB eMMC flash, 2 GB SDRAM, 320 ppi AMOLED AMOLED display with DCI P3 color, brightness boost up to 1000 nits, a 295 mAh built-in rechargeable lithium-ion battery, built-in microphone and speaker, compass, altimeter, blood oxygen sensor, multi-purpose electrical sensor, optical heart rate sensor, accelerometer, gyroscope, ambient light sensor, side button, haptic crown with pixels, premium haptics, international emergency calling, and 5 ATM water resistance. Comes with both small and large active bands and a proprietary USB-C magnetic charging cable with charging speeds of about 30 minutes to 50%, 55 minutes to 80%, and 80 minutes to 100%, and I personally timed 10 minutes to 20%, so these averages are fair.